Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for teeth whitening. This is very natural and it is going to bleach your teeth gently. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I'll get a bowl and come in with my regular toothpaste. I'll just use about a tablespoonful. Next, I'll come in with about a teaspoonful of coconut oil. This is virgin coconut oil. I'll come in with about half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then another teaspoonful of activated charcoal. Finally, I'll come in with 2 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide. This is 12% volume. Finally, I'll mix everything up to form a paste. So our paste is ready. So I'll take a little bit with my toothbrush and then just brush my teeth with it. You can use this 2 times a day and you are going to see great improvement after about 7 days. It will gently and naturally whiten your teeth. Not only is it going to bleach your teeth, it is also going to get rid of bad mouth odor. I usually like to make it in smaller quantities and make new batches every week. Now you don't have to keep this in the fridge. You can put it in a small container, cover it up and leave it in your bathroom cabinet. So I hope this helped you and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up and don't forget to share this with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.